Welcome to Display Dropdown, part of the Theia 3D tutorial series. In this video, we will describe the visualization and display options that can be changed using the buttons in the Display Dropdown menu. Since most of the display options are related to how analyzed data is displayed, they will be grayed out if you do not have an analyzed movement workspace loaded. With Theia 3D open and a workspace loaded, navigate to and open the Display Dropdown menu in the top menu bar. The display options that can be toggled on and off include Show 3D View, Show Boxes, Show 3D Segments, Show Skeleton, and Show Local Coordinate Systems. All of these display options, except for Show 3D View, can also be toggled on or off using the buttons in the sidebar. Show 3D toggles on and off the 3D viewer area. With Show 3D selected, the 3D viewer can be dragged open from the right side of the application window. Show Boxes toggles on and off the boxes drawn around the people found in each 2D camera view. The color of the box around each identified person is unique to that person and is consistent across all camera views. The boxes around people who have not been tracked are gray. Show 3D Segments toggles on and off the 3D segments of each tracked person in the 2D and 3D views. The color of the segments is unique to the individual and matches the color of the box drawn around that individual. Show Skeleton toggles on and off the skeleton of each tracked person in the 2D and 3D views. The color of the skeleton is unique to the individual and matches the color of the box drawn around that individual. Show Local Coordinate Systems toggles on and off the local coordinate system axes for the segments of tracked individuals. Note that the local coordinate systems are only visible if the 3D segments or skeleton are visible. The origin of each coordinate system is a white sphere, the x-axis is a red arrow, the y-axis is a green arrow, and the z-axis is a blue arrow. Thank you for watching this Theia 3D tutorial on display options. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.